Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make sweet tea, step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and equipment. You'll need about 8 cups of water, 4 to 6 standard black tea bags, and 1 to 2 cups of granulated sugar, depending on your preference. Make sure you have a large, heat-proof pitcher, a saucepan, and a long stirring spoon ready. Having everything prepared makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a perfect batch of sweet tea every time. Next, we'll brew a strong tea concentrate. Pour 4 cups of water into your saucepan and bring it to a rolling boil over high heat. Once boiling, remove the pan from the heat source. Carefully add your 4 to 6 black tea bags to the hot water. Let the tea steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. This duration is crucial for extracting a rich flavor. A stronger concentrate ensures your sweet tea has a robust taste. Now it's time to sweeten our tea. Carefully remove and discard the tea bags from the hot concentrate. While the tea is still hot, add 1 to 2 cups of granulated sugar directly into the saucepan. Stir continuously until all the sugar has completely dissolved. This step is vital for achieving that signature sweet flavor. Once dissolved, pour this warm, sweetened tea concentrate into your large, heat-proof pitcher. Finally, we'll dilute and chill our sweet tea. Add 4 additional cups of cold water to the pitcher containing your sweetened tea concentrate. Stir the entire mixture thoroughly to ensure everything is well combined and evenly distributed. Place the pitcher in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, allowing the tea to chill completely. Serve your perfectly chilled, refreshing sweet tea over ice and savor this delightful homemade beverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.